Capybaras are brown furry animals that live in wetlands in South America. They are closely related to guinea pigs, but they are much bigger. When they are full grown, they weigh about 55 kilograms. Capybaras are about a meter long and 60 centimeters tall. Females are usually bigger and heavier than males. Capybaras eat grass in the mornings and the evenings. During the hottest hours of the day, they are usually in the water. Capybaras are very good swimmers. They can stay underwater for 5 minutes at a time. Sometimes they hide in water for much longer. Many other animals like to eat capybaras. They are a favorite food for jaguars, eagles, snakes, and many other animals. Capybaras can live near people. They are common in zoos, and sometimes people keep them as pets. They are very popular in Japan.